create a view for a specific structural member in a weldment, the first step is to add the view to a drawing sheet. So I'm going to drag in my top view here, and I'll place it here. So next, I want to isolate just this member. So I'll accept this view. It's created. Next, I'm going to go to Sketch, and I'm just going to sketch a simple 2-point rectangle. And I want to just get the member and a little bit more within my rectangle. So I'm going to create my rectangle. I'll say OK. Next, I'll go to View Layout. My rectangle will still be selected, and I'm going to tell I want to make a crop view around there. Now, I want to isolate just this structural member so I can dimension its length and its angles. So the next step is to hide the remaining bodies. To do that, I'm just going to right-click on this body, come up to Show Hide, and tell it to hide the body. I'm going to repeat that for each body that's shown here. Or the other option is to right-click, select Properties, come over here to Show Hide Bodies, and select the bodies this way. Tell it to apply, and they'll be hidden. So I'm going to zoom in on this. I still have this body to hide. So with it selected, I'm going to right-click, go Show Hide, hide the body. Now I can rescale this if I want, reposition it, and I can properly dimension it with the lengths and the angles so the part can be properly cut prior to being welded.